Congratulations to you, the speech crafters of the 6-week communication workshop. I am so proud of all the work and effort you have put in and the amazing progress you have made from the first week up until the 6th week, which is tomorrow. Congratulations to Ed and Rashmi, Jake Rudy, Wendy, Sanjay, Hardley, Vikas, Kanisha, Alicia, Abby, and Emily. So extremely proud of all of you. Please use these skills you have developed to help you in every part of your life. Hopefully, you will continue the journey to learn how to improve your communication skills. But for now, congratulations and be so proud of what you were able to accomplish. Coming up on March the 13th is an amazing opportunity for not only you, Toastmasters, but for anyone else in the community that would like to improve their communication skills. We are calling it the You Symposium. It's an opportunity for participants to submit what topic they want to learn, vote on those topics, and then have experts present on those topics. It's on March 13th from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Please go to Eventbrite and register, and then like the Facebook page. Share with family, friends, and coworkers. And on February the 23rd, let's celebrate and congratulate all of the hardworking speech crafters. And thank you to all of the members of Hershaw Toastmasters who made this communication workshop possible.